I just had a revelation. I just have a moment where I need to be open, honest, and free. To let, oh no, how can I really say this? Turn this radio down for to get in trouble for that. To speak on something that hits me, right? But also to let you all know that in the morning, I'm coming from a place, man. Oh my goodness, man. I'm coming from a place of, I just finished eating some chicken minis from you know where. Boy, we gonna sit here and look at you. I don't know who came up. I just felt something came over me. Delicious. And I shouldn't have had it. Boy, look at you.